Hi, so today we're going to learn Be Alive by Beyonce. I'll just play it for you and show you what it's going to sound like. The song is basically just a loop, the music in the background. I'm just going to show you how to play the guitar riff. So we're going to start here. This is the 5th fret. And what you need to do is you need to get your first finger, this one. We're going to bar the bottom 3 strings. Alright? So that means you've got to push all of them down at the same time with one finger. So look at this. See that? Now, you might end up with it this, like. Okay, if it's sounding a bit like that, you need to press harder. Alright, now if you're really struggling to push this down, one tip I would suggest is twist it slightly to the side like that. Alright, so you're putting it on, you're twisting a little bit so that you're lying more on this part here rather than this squidgy part here. Just a bit of a harder part of your finger as well, you see. So, and the same principle works the other way around. You could, if you prefer to roll the other way, then that would help. And as you do that more, you should slowly start to get the strength. One other thing that's important, your thumb needs to be locked, point it like that on the back, right? Try not to go, if your thumb is like this, that's wrong, yeah? If your thumb's like this, then that's wrong. Okay, if it's right up here, wrong, going that way, it needs to be there, okay, back, pointing upwards, and your wrist needs to be down a bit, like down here. You don't want to be here, alright, you want to be here, alright. I've got to admit though, to be fair, when I play it, I often do this. I actually put my wrist up here, but if you're starting out to playing guitar, then have your wrist down here. Alright, because you need to get used to this way first. Right, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, keeping them short. After you've strummed, so you strum, stop it dead. Strum, stop, strum, stop, and then we're going to go and put the little finger on. Okay, so make sure you can do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Alright, then we're going to go pretty much the same again. 1, 2, 3. But then we're going to slide across to the 7th fret. I'm going to go, and we're going to put your little finger on just there on the 10th fret. It's got to be faster, look. Alright, so first time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Go across. Okay, now, see what I've just done there? Loop that, so you're going to do that again, exactly the same thing, right? Alright, and then we're going to go to the next part. So we're going to come down to here. So we got your first finger barring. Now this might be a bit tricky if you're starting out. This finger needs to press down both 3s on the bottom 2 strings, yeah, and your middle one needs to go here. Now, what's probably going to happen is your middle one's going to not want to bend. You're going to bend this, and then that's going to bend. All right, so that's going to take you a little while, potentially. Depends how long you've been playing. Okay, so this one, if you find that really hard, if this one starts to bend all by itself, try twisting that finger a little bit. All right, so twist this one just slightly like that. And add this. I remember that's what I used to do when I was starting out. You want to twist it just a bit because it gives you a little bit more. It kind of makes it more rigid. I don't know how to explain it. So yeah, twist it a little bit. Add this one on. Okay, and it needs to sound. If you pluck each of them, it's got to sound like that. Yeah. So we're going to go. Anyway, once you've got that and you know that you can do that shape, we're going to go. 1, and we're only hitting the bottom 3 strings, not all of them like that. We're hitting just the bottom 3. Strum, stop, strum, stop, strum, stop. Alright, we're going to do 2 strums on here. 1, 2. Add your little finger onto here. Alright. 1. Oops, and I'll just caught that string. 1, 2. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to shoot back up here to the 7. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to do that little fast part. So if I'll do that again. 1, 2. Add your little finger. Go back up here to the bar on the 7th fret. 3, and then we're going to go. Alright, and then we're just going to play the first part again. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to stop there. 2, 3, 4. And Beyonce does her little thing just there, and then it starts again. That's basically it. If you can do that, then you can play the loop of the song. Like the guitar part that's actually in the song. If you wanted to just do it in chords and just play along and sing, I mean, on its own doesn't sound much good. There needs to have backing music there. If you were going to do some just chords, you would play A minor. Well, I'd probably go A minor 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, hang on. It's weird looking in this, looking at the computer. Everything's the other way around. It's weird. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that was just, I mean, don't get me wrong, this is a whole different thing altogether, but I did A minor 7, and then I did a B minor 7 there, back to A minor 7, and then I did a G, added this little finger down here to make it into a G major and add 9. I forgot, to be fair, I didn't put in the major 7. But it doesn't. Anyway, if anyone actually wants me to show you how to do that, just mention it in the comments. But yeah, I hope that's helped you anyway. And please like and subscribe if you can as well. And if anyone wants to do Zoom lessons, just send me a message on here or in the comments, or send one to dje_music_tuition@hotmail.com. And yeah, we can do lessons through Zoom. Alright, thank you, bye.